If you're just coming across this video, you might be wondering how I make this kind of trade. Alright guys, this is UJ Forex Academy, and this video is about how I enter Snipper entry. So without saying much, let's dive into the video real quick. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using M formation as a case study. I saw a M formation, I pull out my horizontal line to mark the neckline. I pull out my horizontal line again just to be sure that this is not a double top. I cross-checked, it was not exactly a double top, so I proceeded to trade the M formation I saw. So the next thing I did was to pull out my arrow to mark the area I know that the market will go back to retest before finally retracing back to a deep sell. Remember, there is always room for psychology, so we have to create that room. So I took out another arrow to show, so that each time I come back to this chart, I will remember that this is a sell. So the next thing I did was I waited for it to play out. It took over 5 hours before this market played out. First it was selling and then came back to buy. Once price got to 7213.22, that is where I immediately executed my sell, and this is what happened next. Did you see that sharp rejection? You can actually pause the video to see that sharp rejection. That sharp rejection over there is what they call the sniper entry. So this is my strategy. So far so good. So this strategy now with a smaller account can accumulate huge lot size because the market is retracing in a rush, so it will not have time for retracement. So the market is retracing in a rush. So on your own, you can backtest this strategy and see what you can do with the strategy. Alright guys, if you need more clarity on this strategy, ensure you enroll on my mentorship class for me to clarify you on this strategy and teach you how you can use this strategy to grow your $200 to $3,000, $5,000 and above. You have been seeing a lot of my results on Telegram, on YouTube. That is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you on this class. So guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.